Build your own online presence and earn with Wix, the easy way to create a website that promotes your Amazon affiliate products. Customize your site, showcase your favorite items, and add your affiliate links to start earning commissions. With Wix, it's simple, fast, and designed to help you grow your online income. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to use Wix in order to create an Amazon affiliate website. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, let's just create a new site. So to do that, just go to wix.com and then just simply go here in your dashboard. Once you're here, just simply click on these three dots right here in the top right corner that says Site Actions. So just click on that and then just simply click on Create New Site. There you go, and then just wait for it to load. So in here, what you can do is also set up your Wix website by using their AI feature. So we will utilize that right now so that it will be easy and fast for us to make an Amazon affiliate website immediately. So let's just simply start chat right there. Okay, so it will ask you to tell what your website is all about. So I'll just say I'll be selling Amazon affiliate products. There you go. And then just wait for their AI to respond. There you go. And then it will ask you what is the name of your business/project. So I'll just name my business as Sample Products Business. There you go. There you go. Now, what type of products will you be focusing on? So this one is generally personal preference. So if you want to sell like makeup products, you can type in makeup products, or tech products, you can also type that. So just choose what kind of products you'll be selling. So for example, I'll just say clothing. There you go. There you go. And then we'll ask you, do you have any additional goals for your website, like building a social media following or collecting customer emails? For example, I want to grow my Instagram presence, or I want to collect customer emails for a monthly newsletter. But this one I'll just say no to, since we'll be focusing on making the website itself and start selling Amazon affiliate products. There you go. Then it will ask you, where is your business located? So just input the location of your business. So as an example, I'll just say the US. There you go. Thanks for sharing. If you have any other specific requirements or preferences for your website, feel free to let me know. So you can add additional prompts right here within their AI. But for me, I'll just skip it and I'll just end the chat and continue. And then there you go. And we'll now start preparing our dashboard for us, and then installing the apps based on our goals and generating custom services and etc. So let's just wait for this to load. There you go. And there you go. So we'll be redirected back here in our dashboard. So let's just simply design our site. So just simply click on Design Site right here on the top right. There you go. Then we'll ask you, how would you like to design your website? So you can use a customized template in Wix, or you can generate a design with AI. So to make things faster and simpler, let's just generate a design with AI. There you go. There you go. Let's get started on a site for Sample Products Business, your affiliate marketing portfolio. So it will start first generating a site brief and the first version of your site. Once they're ready, you'll be able to edit the site brief to generate new versions until you have a design you love. So here is the site brief. So Sample Products Business, your affiliate marketing portfolio, will be built based on the site profile we put together. It will have a site structure with one page. The site content will be generated based on your site description. Your site theme will feature modern fonts and an earthy organic design in shades of rust and off-white. It will have a layout which divides each section into two balanced parts for optimal content display. So we'll start generating the website right here. So let's just wait for it to load. So there we go. So this is the sample website right here that Wix has made for us. So what you can do is regenerate the design if you don't like it, or tweak the design if you want to. So as an example, I'll just show you guys how to use these. So when I click on Tweak Design, there you go. There you go. It will now start generating another version for us. So let's just wait for it to load. So as you can see right here on the top left, it says right here that this is version 2. So there you go. I kind of like this one since it has more color and more life to it. So so what you can do again is tweak the design or regenerate it. Or if you're ready to use this design, just simply click on continue with this design, which I will do. There you go. Afterwards, it will ask you to complete the site with your own domain. So if you want to set up your domain already, you can do so right here just by clicking on Let's Go. But for me, I'll just continue with the editor. So I'll just simply click on this. And then there you go. It will now start adding the stuff needed for our website. Okay, so here is our website. So what you can do is to just simply perform simple edits right here to your liking within your website. So what you can do is simply add elements. So basically elements allows you to add buttons, strips, images, text, and etc. So if you want to do those, you can do so right here. Next is adding sections. So in here you can add sections right here within your web page. So in the section you can add like a welcome section, an about section, a theme, contact, and etc. Next are site pages and menus. So in here you can add additional site pages and menus in this section. Next is site design. So in here you can change the color theme, the text theme, the page background, and the page transitions. Next is the Wix App Market. So in here you can download apps right here that you can utilize within the Wix website. Next is My Business. So in here, it already added an Wix stores for us so that we can add our product. So yep. Next is media. So in here you'll be able to see all the media that you've added right here, or you can add additional images or videos from this section. Then we have CMS. So this basically allows you to easily manage your site content. So you can set up collections, create hundreds of dynamic pages, and collect info from your site visitors. So after you're done customizing your website, let's just simply start by adding our affiliate products. So the first thing that we're going to do first is just simply add a section right here. So I'll just add a blank section. There you go, just like this. Afterwards, just simply look for the product that you want to sell right here as an affiliate link. So for example, I'll be selling the shirt right here since our website focuses on clothing. So yep, I'll just go back right here. And then from here, let's just simply add an image right here of this product. So there you go. So let's just simply go to image right here and then just simply upload an image. So I already have the image right here uploaded, so I'll just click on it. And then there you go. So you can resize it if you want to. So yep. And then there you go. Next, let's try to add some text right here. So I'll just go to elements right here. Let's just simply look for a title. So there you go. You can change the font right here and etc. So for example, I'll just name this as shirt. Then there you go. Let's just change the color of the text right here to black. And then there you go. Afterwards, let's add another button that will allow us to redirect the Amazon affiliate link. So let's just go to buttons right here. And then let's look for a button that might fit our website. So for example, I'll just use this simple button right here. There you go. And then there you go. Now let's just edit the button right here. So I'll just name it as buy it here. So there you go. Let's just move it around a bit. And then there you go. Afterwards, once you're done setting up your product right here, but keep in mind you can design it to anything you like. I just made it simple so that you guys can follow and understand what I'm doing. Okay, so here's our product. So let's just simply click on the button again. And then it says right here links to. So just simply click on choose a link right here. And then once you're here, just simply go to web address. So what's the web address or the URL? So just simply input the Amazon affiliate link right here for the product that you've chosen. So for example, I'll simply add the store page link right here of this product. So yeah, so you can also change how it opens. So you can open it in a new window or a current window. For me, I'll just leave it at a new window. And then once you're done, you simply click on done. Okay, so there you go. Afterwards, let's just simply save it. There you go. And then let's just simply do a preview of our website and to see if the button works. So when I simply click on the button right here, again, it will redirect us to the Amazon page. So as you can see, there you go, it works. So yeah, there you go. Let's just go back to the editor. And then again, you can add additional products right here. So I'll just do that right now. So I'll look for another product. So let's say I want to sell this muscle polo shirt right here. But keep in mind, you should have affiliate links to all of these. So for example, I'll just sell this polo shirt. So I'll just save the image. There you go. Just go back to the Wix editor. And then let's go to add elements. Go to image. Upload image. Upload from computer. Let's just upload that image. Wait for it to upload. And then there you go. Click on it. Add to page. And there you go. The image has been added. So let's just resize it so that it can fit the section. Resize it. There you go. And then let's just copy this text right here. And then let's just name it as polo. There you go. Let's just copy the button as well. But we should change the link of this to the affiliate link of this one. So just simply click on it. There you go. Change the link. So I'll just go back to Amazon right here. So keep in mind that the link that I'm copying right here is not the affiliate link. So you will need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program to get the affiliate links of products that you are wanting to sell. So yep. So as an example, I'll just be copying the links of the actual products right here, but keep in mind these are not affiliate links. So you will really need to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So yep, so after copying the link, let's just go back to the Wix editor and let's just simply change the link. Click on done, and then there you go. And then after that, just simply click on save. Then afterwards, you can preview it to check if it works. Then when I click on the link right there, again, it redirect us to this product. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Wix in selling your Amazon affiliate products. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.